Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will make a sentence with these words. So let's begin. The first one is cheap. This shirt is very cheap. Empty. The bottle is empty. Gift. I got a gift yesterday. Ground. I saw a coin on the ground. Truly. She is truly my best friend. Join. I can join the dots. Sneeze. Cold air makes me sneeze. Park. They walk to the park together. Happy. I am happy today. Excited. We are excited to watch the new movie. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.